The Pearl thermostat combines contemporary styling with easy-to-use touch controls. Delivering precise control and an unparalleled user experience, features include a built-in power amplifier, 2-year battery life, and compatibility with most residential HVAC systems. With quick connect terminals for tool-free wiring, installation is a breeze. Top reviews from the United States. Brilliant. Amazing value for money. I just moved into a 20-year-old house and wanted to retrofit for home automation, but the damned house has 8 individual thermostats. If I went with any of the big name brand smart thermostats, it would run me over $1,000. Then I found these beauties. I was concerned about the negative reviews, but most of them were from people who don't really know how to pair devices. It's true, with SmartThings you can't just select the device type and brand. Instead, you have to select Scan Nearby. The thermostats are automatically discoverable for a few minutes after you first connect them, and it's easy to put them back into discovery mode later. I managed to connect all 8 with no issues. They are a bit large, but that was nice because it covered the unpainted section of wall where I removed the old ones. Note, I only have circulating hot water heating, no air conditioning. Your mileage may vary.